Meet Jane. Jane suffered from chronic pain in her neck and back. Jane was frustrated because she had to live with pain every day, even though she had tried everything she could think of to get relief. A colleague told Jane that finding a chiropractor could be her best choice. Jane scheduled an appointment with us. Our experienced chiropractor talked to Jane to understand her condition and provide her an individualized, comprehensive chiropractic treatment plan. In every session, Jane was comfortable in our warm and healing environment, and the pain has been relieved quickly. Now Jane is back with her full life and feeling better than ever. If you are suffering from old unhealed injury or chronic pain, don't let pain be a part of your life any longer. Contact us today to see how much we can help.